Hi guys, I'm Blake. I'm here with Alaina today, and we're going to be showing you how to do Meghan Markle's messy bun look.
The items that you'll need to recreate this look are a 1-inch curling iron, a few bobby pins, dry texture spray, and 2 elastics. First, start by prepping the hair with a dry texture spray. Take wide sections and spray onto the roots. I use Oribe dry texture spray to create texture and a soft hold to the hair. When you're done with that, shake through the hair at the roots to distribute the product. Next, take 2 sections at the crown and gently backcomb. This will offer shape and support to our silhouette. When you're through with that, take 2 sections from behind the ear and also backcomb. This will help support our shape as we pull the hair back. Now, section the hair behind both ears, separating the hair in front from the hair in back. Don't worry about making these sections too perfect. Take the remaining hair in the back and tie it into a ponytail, focusing on trying to hit it right above where you would put a low pony. Then, take your fingers and pull up hair from the elastic in the crown to create height and shape. Next, take your second elastic to create the bun by pulling the hair a quarter of the way through and leaving the tail out. Take the remaining pieces and curl with your iron. Here I'm using the 1-inch T3 iron on a medium heat setting to create a soft wave in the hair. When you're through curling the hair, take the bun in the back and secure the sides and underneath with bobby pins. After that, take the remaining hair that you have on the sides and rotate the hair, twisting it back, pinning it on top of the bun. Remember to leave out hair in the front to create a nice soft frame. Now, let's clean up the back and form our final product. Take the hair that you had just secured on top of the bun. Each of them has a tail. Take the end of each tail and wrap it underneath the bun on either side and secure it into place underneath to hide the hair. Then, take the remaining hanging hair, split it off into 2 sections, and wrap it upward around each side to secure it in place and hide the ends. To finish this look off, you can gently pull hair out on the sides and the top to create a looser look as desired. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can create this effortless yet stylish look.